Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. This Sanskrit quote dedicated to our mentors. Many successful people attribute at least part of their success to having a mentor. Our mentors from the beginning, DTM Malini Hebbar, TM Maria Phyllis ma'am, and TM Sulochana ma'am, helped us to succeed. Now I request our young mentor Sulochana ma'am to present a thematic introduction of the office bearers.
Yes.
Dear fellow Toastmasters and guests present on the screen, good evening. I am here to introduce you the incoming office bearers of Bantwal Speech Weavers Club, along with the outgoing EXCOM members. Sergeant at Arms of 2019-20 was Rashma Alvam, a calm and competent lady who would be regular at the meeting and would keep the meeting hall ready for the smooth running of the meeting. Entering a well-prepared meeting hall and leaving the meeting with hot coffee and snacks are the sweet memories I have of Bantwal Club. The responsibility of Sergeant at Arms is going to be taken over by an equally efficient lady, Toastmaster Veena Tolpadi. She is an Ayurvedic doctor by profession. When asked what keeps her hopes alive, she says she's always optimistic and hope gives her strength to tackle her problems. Her best memory at Toastmasters is the day she entered the Toastmasters Club and the way she was cordially welcomed by the Bantwal Toastmaster. I too, in fact, remember that day when the meeting ended. She announced to the club that she would become a member at the earliest. Later on, she took on various meeting roles, and her table topic session is a memorable one for the choice of the topics. There is speciality in all her meeting roles. That's why I say she epitomizes the tagline of Apple iPhone, think different. Treasurer. The treasurer of the year 2019-20 was Toastmaster Ritesh. A businessman by profession and a dedicated Toastmaster, Ritesh Baliga last year could maintain good accounts efficiently. And the secret of which we all know is the wholehearted support of his beautiful and brainy wife, DTM Shivani Baliga. From one businessman, that responsibility of treasury is going to be transferred to another businessman, Toastmaster Prakash Baliga. I have seen him as a regular member and I still remember his speech on BD leaves, how it is rolled with tobacco into BDs. He says he had stage fear, but keeping his hopes alive, he could finally get rid of it at the Toastmasters. His best memory of the year 2019-20 are taking up different meeting roles and the encouragement he received from his fellow Toastmasters. While reasoning why a businessman like Prakash Baliga has to become a Toastmaster, the reply I get can be summarized in the tagline of Walmart: save money, live better. Yes, he believes Toastmaster gives you best to live better. Secretary of the year 2019-20, Toastmaster Prakash Baliga. As secretary, Toastmaster Prakash Baliga has diligently posted minutes of the meeting in our WhatsApp group and has performed his responsibility to the best of his ability. He is going to be succeeded by another quiet but efficient lady, Toastmaster Vani Ritesh, a dentist by profession. Vani Ritesh is a cool person and you know her efficiency as a speaker only when you listen to her well-crafted speech on stage. She throws up humor in such a way that she, as a dentist, is able to see all your 32 teeth. She believes in the idea, have to smile while we still have teeth. Her cool manner and her youthful way can be summarized with, keep your teeth bright and fresh all day, every day. Trust in God keeps her hopes alive. VP Public Relations of the year 2019-20, Toastmaster Mustafa. I quote DTM Phyllis Costa, who says, Toastmaster Mustafa is the blue-eyed boy of the club. He is one who has used his PR skills to get 3 members to the club. He will be handing over the responsibility to a girl with a brilliant smile, Toastmaster Shruti Mata, who believes in the saying, "You're not fully dressed until you wear a smile." It's her way of saying, don't live life without it. She works at Aged and Research Center, Mangalore, as a technologist of nuclear medicine. When asked what keeps her alive, she wisely replies, "There is hope." Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. She hopes to become a successful Toastmaster. VP membership 2019-20, Toastmaster Vani Karan. She, with her husband, Prakash Karan, was an active member last year. I have seen her as a keen observer and a confident person who would effectively handle any meeting role assigned to her. She will be handing over the charge to Ahmed Mustafa, who has already proved before you what a dedicated Toastmaster he is by being MC of today's investiture ceremony in spite of being a patient in a hospital right now. His approach can be summarized with the catchy phrase of "the Bears, a diamond is forever." He says he keeps his hopes high by being empathetic to others. His best memory of the year 2019-20 is the commitment and responsibility he has seen of the club mentors and coaches. So here is Toastmaster Mustafa, who will set the club with the high hopes of getting new members and strengthening it. VP Education 2019-20, Toastmaster Bharti Shetty. I still remember the meeting with the theme Women's Day. And as an evaluator, I could see Dr. Bharti Shetty keenly listening to Dr. Shashikala's speech. But when she just finished completing taking points, her mobile in its silent mode communicated a call from the hospital. But before the meeting could end, Dr. Bharti Shetty was there in the club amongst us. She delightfully announced to the club that she had just returned after helping her mother deliver a baby, that too, a baby girl. We all rejoiced because it coincided with our theme. That was Dr. Bharti Shetty in the year 2019-20. The person who takes charge from her as VP Education is Toastmaster Reena Niranjan. She says optimistic thinking keeps her hopes alive. She cherishes the memory of the group picture taken with the team Fly in Formation. I have seen Reena grow as a Toastmaster. She has reached level 3 of Pathways now, and she works diligently with her projects. She runs a medical laboratory at Bantwal. She is an interior decorator by choice, a writer, and a researcher who collects information on historical facts. In the context of VP Education of Bantwal Club, she can best be summarized as "Yahi hai right choice, baby, aha." President 2019-20, Dr. Shashikala Somayaji. She is an epitome of an ideal club president. Her ways of conducting meetings, her meeting rules, her speeches, her ways of motivating and befriending club members in the year 2019-20 were finger-licking good. The collaboration and understanding between her and the incoming president, Bharti Shetty, I could say they are like two bodies with a single soul. Dr. Bharati has been instrumental in Dr. Somayaji's success. In future, as immediate past president, I'm sure Dr. Shashikala will be supporting Dr. Bharti Shetty and bringing success to the club. They are the two strong pillars of Bantwal Club. I can describe them as neighbors' envy, owner's pride. Coming to our president-elect, Dr. Bharti Shetty, when asked what keeps her hopes alive, Dr. Bharti Shetty says the way COVID-19 challenges are faced keeps her hopes alive. She likes the mentors and coaches of her club. She is a lady with confidence, and I call her the BMW, or the ultimate driving force of Bantwal Speech Weavers Club. Stepping into the bigger shoes, she's sure to take Hamara Bantwal Club to the best of Division F to the greater heights. With that, I take a break and you can have a Kit Kat. Over to MC Mustafa.
Thank you, Sulochana ma'am. Thank you, Sulochana ma'am. It was nice conducted
It was nice.
proceeding. May I know whether Dr. Shashikala back? No, Saurav? Now I request, we'll move on to next program.